The third option that was implemented, the third feature implemented, let me open one example here. Let me see if we have an example, a little nice example. I'll get this little connection here. It's quite simple, but it's enough to show you how it works. Okay, so here we have this connection. It's a base plate. Again, it's a very simple connection, and in this base plate we have one operation to add the plate itself. Okay, then we have some adjustments here to connect the P1 to the plate and add these welds, and then we have some anchors. Okay, the point is that it's when we add these anchors, where we have in this case 4 elements. Okay, we have this little table here. Okay, this table from now on it's easier to introduce. Okay, the first thing is that now you can, actually this was possible before, is that you can copy the table. Okay, and then you can paste this table, for example, in another place. You can copy this to your clipboard. Okay, so if you copy here, you can close this option, go to another connection, and then you can paste this list with these coordinates of these anchors in another place. Could be, for example, another operation, another connection. Okay, so this is actually this was possible, but before, to paste the elements in a table, it was necessary to add exactly the same number of rows that you need in your table to then paste it here. Okay, paste from the clipboard. Okay, so that was before. From now on, you can paste directly here. You just have to add the first row. Okay, and paste from the clipboard, and all the rows will be included automatically. Okay, so if you have a geometry, for example, of an opening, that is another situation where, for example, we can add sorry, an opening. Yes, an opening. You can add geometry with this kind of tables, or when you add a plate, for example, and this plate have a polygonal shape. Okay, polygonal shape. You also have here a table. Okay, so these options that are introduced with different vertices, with different points, there are rows of a table, you now can paste directly from your clipboard this data, and it's gonna be much easier to introduce this data in your connections. Okay, so this is a very simple detail, but that increases a lot your experience, your productivity when you are introducing these geometries here in our connection editor.